Now I don't remember if you saw it or not, but this was 12 gauge wire, and I knew that because the breakers in the panel were 20 amp breakers. Anytime you see a breaker that has 20 amps on it, let's show you here. Okay, see all the breakers here? Those say 20 on them, right? See? Now if you see some with 15 amps, and if you turn off a breaker to run some wires and it's 15 amps, then you know it's a 14 gauge wire, which is smaller wire. We used a 12-2 with ground, and we didn't even have to check any of this stuff out before because we knew it was a 20 amp breaker. And that's how we ran it. And we went to here because the power was coming into this box. Now there's one of these wires that has power, and then one of the existing wires went up to feed this light fixture, and another one went up to feed something else somewhere else. They actually had 3 wires in here from before, 3 sets of wires, and I installed another set of wires. So now I've got 4 wires going in there, but that's okay. It was a 2-gang box, and I got plenty of room now to run everything up. All right, now time to get my backing on up. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.